Hey dudes, it's Love. I have a new video for you, and this video is going to be a video about me preparing for the spring semester. I'm sorry this video is so late. I literally start school on Monday. So my professors decided not to publish their Canvas sites until the very last minute, so that's why this video is coming out so late. I start on February 1st, so we gotta start preparing and getting ourselves situated. If you have not seen my face before, hey, my name is Love, and I would love if you guys would stick around, subscribe down below, and join the fam because we are super chill and fun over here. My battery is blinking. I'm gonna try and finish this intro without it dying on me, so subscribe down below, join the fam, and let's go ahead and get into this video. All right, everyone, so it's currently 9 p.m. Well, that was rude. It's currently 9 p.m. and I just got done with CA training for the day, and every day I have CA training, more things get added to my calendar, so I really want to go in and fill in all my class times and my duty times for the month of February. I have all my days listed here that I work. So I'm gonna go in right now and fill in all those times so that anytime I need to look at my calendar for something, I know, okay, I have class during this time to this time, I won't be available, because it's really been annoying to have to keep going back and forth between apps to look at my schedule when I can just put everything in my Google Calendar. So that's what we're gonna set up right now. Even though it's 9 p.m. at night, even though I'm tired and I want to get in bed and I have to shower, we have to prepare for class, because we do. It is what it is. So this is what a typical week in my life will look like. This includes all of my classes, this includes work and everything like that. The days that I have duty does vary. I try to pick a bunch of Tuesdays and Thursdays, but these are a ton of meetings and volunteer things that I have to do, and some things are not even in my calendar yet. I have tutoring that I'm going to be doing for some people and other things like that that I still have to put into my calendar. So it's a very full schedule this semester. Alright, so now that my calendar is set up, I have to set up my folders on both my MacBook and my iPad. So I'm using Google Drive on my MacBook, and then on my iPad I'll be using GoodNotes to make those folders for my notebooks, and then on my drive just so that I can have all my files directly in the folders. And I do this every semester, like I said. So I just have a folder that says first semester and second semester, and then in the second semester folder is where I'm going to set up all of the classes I have. So So I literally just went through and filled in all of the syllabus that I do have. It looks like I have nothing on Fridays. I do, but it's just like I didn't have any module changes that day. So like I said, I went in and I filled in my entire planner starting all the way from February. Doesn't want to work with me. From February till now, and in May I literally just have final exams because we end like the first and second week of May are just finals. So yeah. Hey guys, so it is currently Friday, January 29th. Classes start Monday, February 1st. I'm still waiting for one class to upload their syllabus because I have absolutely no idea what I'm doing for that class. As well as my other professor, he has the Canvas site up, but there's like no like syllabus of dates really. It's just like a list of assignments, but I don't know what like the course is gonna look like yet, so can't do anything for that yet. But I did what I could for now. I'm going to go and search for some of my textbooks because I only need like 2, I think. But the rest of them, the readings are provided, or I already have the textbook from last semester because it's like a 2-part course. So I'm going to go search for those. I only need 2, and I have a bunch of free textbook sites that I'm going to use to find them. Turns out I actually only need 1 textbook. It is this textbook from my Spanish class. It's not expensive at all. I just don't like paying for textbooks anymore, and I tried all my free websites and none of them worked, and this happens every semester for like any of my Spanish textbooks. They never have them on a free website, and I always end up paying for them. So I'm going to go ahead and purchase this. It's only $22, so that's not terrible. Alright, so I'm basically done prepping with all of my class stuff. I'm just like, and I purchased my textbook. It actually ended up being like $30 because of tax, and I had to pay for shipping, so that's annoying. But that's the only way I could get it. I'm currently ordering groceries on the Target app because I have 0 food, so I'm going to make 2 grocery stops, one at Target and one at Walmart. So from Target, I'm trying to pick up a bunch of dinner food. So like I have frozen penne pasta, I have frozen chicken lo mein, I have frozen vegetable fried rice, orange chicken, chicken pot pie, grilled chicken strips. I have the minute ready rice cups, and then I also have vitamin water and some chips because the chips at Target are healthy for 1, and for 2 they are super cheap. They're like $2 per bag. So I'm only going to spend like $50 at each location. So from Walmart, I'm gonna just get like a bunch of salads. I'm gonna try and find like frozen vegetables and such like that. I also want to just get a few more snacks from there, so like granola bars and applesauce and things like that. I don't know, I always find like the best ones at Walmart. So this is going to be like a really big shopping trip because I actually have like 0 food right now, like absolutely none. Like there's nothing here. Literally, I have been going to the dining hall, and that means that's terrible because I never go to the dining hall. I literally have like 1 box of goldfish and that's it. So clearly I need food. I've been managing, but I need food. Alright guys, so that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give me a huge thumbs up letting me know you liked it. Also, don't forget to leave me some video requests in the comments down below because I will read them, I will do them, I will respond. And yeah, hopefully you guys learned something from me. This is how I prepare basically every semester since I've started college, and I really haven't changed anything up since then. So that is it. Make sure to subscribe down below if you haven't already. I love you guys all so very much. Peace, dudes.